You humiliated the North Prince down there. Why?
Our great king, we so much appreciate your majesty.
You will address me as your majesty.
Address you as what?
Your majesty.
What's better than being feared?
How about being loved?
Get out. What's here now? I wanted to.
All hail the princess, and she has done it again.
Came to seek your hand in marriage.
Why are you talking this way? We went to Paris together. We had fun. We had a great time. So why are you talking this way? Why?
We had a great time. And that was that!
God will not give you anything. You keep quiet.
You will marry us.
Did you hear that? An ordinary gatekeeper.
Well, if this is love, I hope it's mutual.
It's been 5 days.
It's all right. It's okay.
The rate she's going, all anyone is going to do is fear her.
Can't have a king who cannot control the kingdom.
How dare you call me a scum? You're a scum! Who am I? You call me a scum!
Who is this?
Oh, my cousin Rita.
As we speak right now, she's in a coma.
So why are you smiling?
Sonia, pull yourself.
You get asthma.
My guy is in love.
Where am I running to now?
I'm not a ghost.